Hi, today I want to show you how to use Dev mode in Figma. So I have Figma here, I have Figma for VS Code. I have logged in and set it up. But the coolest feature I like is that, for example, I can click this header, go to the section where it exists, and you see I have font. Boom, and I have the right font size. I have in the right reamps. Just remember to set up the base size of the component. Of course, font weight. I have from Figma. This is that. And that's it. I have my component all the same as in Figma. Thank you.